Hi, this is Mai coming to you from It's My Hair Salon located in Sacramento, California. We have a few demos that I want to do today, just kind of touching on what products to use to be humidity resistant, moisture resistant, reversion resistant. So we just want to touch on a few products with our lovely model, Angelica. She has naturally curly hair, so we just want to talk about when she does straighten her hair, how to prevent it from reverting back to the curly in unwanted circumstances. Okay, so here's my model, Angelica, and Angelica has naturally curly hair. And as you can see, she's already been straightened, but we didn't straighten it today. But I just wanted to show you what her hair does when she's in like environments where the humidity, or she's danced all night or something like that. And so it begins to swell up her cuticle, which you can see. And so she loses like that luster and that straightness of the hair. And so this is what you'll see, like that frizz and things of that nature. So what I do have is some product suggestions of how we would prepare the hair, what we would use to maintain the hair, and also heat protection is also a good thing as well. So what I really love is the Smooth Lock Shampoo and Conditioner by Redken, which is really great. So here's the shampoo. This is what the bottle looks like, and they've just recently reformulated the product, which makes it so great. So anyway, this keeps the hair straighter longer. So you want to start off with products that are pre-designated for what it is that you're trying to achieve. And so in this case, we're trying to achieve straight hair that's going from curly to straight and maintaining the straightness of the hair. So you want to get a product that's designed for that. So this is a Thermal Care shampoo and conditioner, Redken Smooth Lock. Also great for leave-in. This is by Influence. This prevents split ends, this adds body, this adds sheens. It's also like a sealant for the hair. So you want to lock in that moisture, you want to lock in that shine, and you also want to seal that cuticle to help prevent possible reversion as well. So you want to do a leave-in, something light, and that's what this product is. This is also the Hydration Shampoo by Influence, which I actually absolutely love because it moisturizes the hair. Although we do not want the hair to revert back, we do want the hair to maintain its natural moisture. So this particular product, it cleanses the scalp thoroughly, it cleanses the hair thoroughly, but it doesn't strip it, because you don't want products that's going to strip the hair. You want products that's going to keep the moisture, because anytime that the hair is naturally curly, what it does lack is moisture. So you always want to add moisture to the hair without weighing the hair down. So like I was saying, preparation is always the key when you're doing someone's hair. So you want to prepare with the proper shampoo and conditioner. You also want to apply a proper leave-in that helps with that added protection. Then after we would do the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, then when we're doing like the blow drying, you want to just have like a the blow drying as well as like the flat ironing. You want to do like a thermal spray. So this would be like when you're protecting the hair from the flat iron or even like UV rays. You want to just use something. And you may think like it's an abundance of products as far as like one head of hair, but they're light in weight, and they're just preparing what we would say like the canvas for what it is that we're trying to achieve. So anyway, later I'll touch on what type of oils that you can use after for the end of styling. Dimethicone, silicone, those are always good products for you. They give added shine, they give added protection, and so you just want to use that if your the hair is looking lackluster or things of that nature. So I'll touch on those few items. We'll go ahead and shampoo Angelica, get her started, and then go from there. Hi, okay, so we went ahead and we shampooed Angelica. We used the Redken, like we were talking about earlier, the Smooth Lock shampoo as well as the conditioner. So now what I'm going to do is just spray a little bit of the leave-in in, and then we're going to let her dry a little bit under the dryer, and then we'll proceed on with the blowing her out and then the styling. And like I said earlier, what the leave-in does is protects the hair, especially during the blowing out process. So it acts as if it's a thermal protectant as well. And then like I said, it also seals the cuticle and gives the hair added body as well as shine. So we use the Influence leave-in to do that. And so we're going to place Angelica under the dryer for just a few minutes, and then we'll proceed on. Okay, so we went ahead and we blow dried Angelica. And so what we're going to do now is some people, they don't like to use this, but I just want to tell you an amazing product by Influence. It's called Pressing Cream. And oftentimes when we hear the word pressing cream, we immediately think, especially with her texture, that it's going to be too heavy for the hair and her hair is going to be greasy. But what's great about this product is that a little bit goes a long way. So I just want to show you how this product is really going to lock in the shine. This has an added reversion protection, meaning that it prevents the hair from reverting back. And so also it silkens the hair and gives the hair a great luster to it and a great weight to it without the hair being heavy. So I'm just going to show you how much we would actually use on Angelica. So if you saw how minimal that was, so it's just a little bit, and I'm just going to emulsify it. And this is what I was saying earlier about that added thermal protection. That is what this product is going to add to Angelica's hair. And it's going to help with the flat ironing. It's going to be as a thermal protectant, as well as locking in the moisture and preventing the hair to revert back. Okay, so then we're just going to begin flat ironing shortly, and then we'll go from there. So I've already began flat ironing Angelica's hair, and as you can see, and you saw we put the pressing cream on her, you can see the straightness and how I was talking about that added weight without weighing the hair down. So I'm just going to show you real quick the proper way of straightening hair. Oftentimes we see when people are straightening, particularly with a plug-in flat iron, and actually I do want to point out that we have the temperature on 420, and this goes up to 450. So I just want to tell you what straightens hair. Of course, there's heat, there's tension, there's the compression of the iron, and then there's the speed. So the heat, the tension, the compression, and then you want to just come down the strand of the hair just so it has the ability to penetrate through the cuticle and straighten the hair. So once again, heat, compression, tension, and speed is what straightens the hair. And then if you want, you can always use a comb to kind of help with the smoothing process, and then slide down. Alright, so we have finished Angelica's flat iron. As you can see, the straightness of it, the smoothness of it, feels really good. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, she has just a little bit of flyaways, so I'm just going to go in with the natural oil by Influence. And I said earlier, and it's with any product, like a little bit goes a long way, so it's less than a dime. And then you just want to put it in your hand, emulsify it, work it through, and just kind of finger it where you want it to go. You can go from like the ends to the mid shaft and then touching on the top portions without weighing the hair down. So this is good. Alright, so we have completed everything that we're going to do. I was thinking about curling her, so maybe I can show the finished product shortly. I'll curl her hair and then give you a little light demo of how that added shine can come in as well. So thank you so much for watching, and then I'll show you the finished results shortly. Okay, so we've completed Angelica, or I've completed Angelica, and I went in, as you can tell, and I curled her hair. Also, I added extensions. We did clip-in extensions from International Hair Company, which I absolutely love. She can pop them in, pop them out anytime that she feels like switching up the style or just adding a little more of that dramatic look to it. And then also, I just want to point out real quick what we did. We went ahead and we prepared her hair. She has naturally curly hair, so we shampooed and conditioned her hair with the Smooth Lock by Redken, which will help for her hair to stay straighter, longer. Although we did curl it, we just want to make sure that the reversion factor is not a factor. And so this will be great for the humidity resistance. Also, we went in with the leave-in conditioner, which seals and protects the hair, and then we did the thermal protectant, which is the thermal spray, also by Redken. And then we went in with a little bit of the pressing cream, which acts as a thermal protectant as well, and just gives that added luster and shine to the hair. And then we just finished it off with a little bit of the natural oil and her hair looks amazing. So I just want to tell you, although we did use a great number of products and some of them were from two different lines, everything is a case-by-case basis. So you just want to make sure that you always consult your professional stylist. That way you have the right product for the right situation at hand. You just want to make sure that you're using the right product for what it is that you're trying to achieve. But always consult your professional stylist. Have a great day.